Hey, how's it going? This is Adrian. This is FYS101, and this presentation is specific to the FOCUS2 assignment, just to make sure there isn't any miscommunication on how to get to where you need to go. I put in the link in the Harper portal regarding academic advising and counseling, but also an overview regarding the FOCUS2. So to get to the assignment itself, what we're looking to do, you have to go into the portal. You go into your portal, and this is the instructor view for faculty and staff. If we drop this down, I'm going to go into what looks like what's going to be your view. Academic advising and counseling. We drop into here. This is your FOCUS2. This is what you're looking for, right? And we have you hop into this and go ahead and go through this process of doing the drop downs. You're a student, you're exploring occupations, but it's actually a course requirement. And with this, my name, for whatever reason, does not show up. I should be in the F's over here, but I'm not. Just scroll all the way down. And next to John here, you'll see not listed. And then submit that, and you'll hop in. And now, when you drop into this, what I'm looking for this first assignment, right? We have these different windows you can click on. I'm looking for you to complete these one by one by one. And for our class, we had 6 different assignments, roughly about 3 weeks apart, right? The first one, which is being assigned today, is you go into work assessment, you complete that, and then you use the information you get from that to do the homework assignment. The next one, which is on September 14th, will be personality assessment, then leisure, then values and skills. Then we finish it up at the very end, where we have an overview of everything that you've done on the FOCUS2. So what I'm trying to do is break this out into multiple little assignments to make it a little bit easier, and a little bit easier kind of bite off and chew, you know, because otherwise it's like one big assignment, and I'm not looking for that in this class. So to get there, go through your portal. Once you get into the portal, you'll find information on the FOCUS2. Click in there, fill out the information, it'll take you right here. All right, guys, look out for more videos. Have a good one.